the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. On this joyous occasion, I am here to tell you the 12th of Rabi Awwal, we remember the revival of last Payghambar sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that sent from Allah, sent to guide us on the path of rightness and truth. जिस सुहानी घड़ी चमका तैयबा का चांद, जिस सुहानी घड़ी चमका तैयबा का चांद, उस दिल अफरोज साथ पे लाखों सलाम. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam birth was a blessing to humanity, and his message of love, compassion and forgiveness continues to inspire us and guide us today. His teaching emphasizes the importance of justice, equality and mercy on his example serve as a beacon of hope